Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to view all the added hobbies to your profile in Facebook. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't already downloaded the Facebook app, go to the Play Store and type Facebook in the search bar. Step 2. Look for the white F logo on a white background. Tap on it, and then tap on Install to download the app. Step 3. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign into your Facebook account. Step 4. Tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Step 5. Locate the gear icon next to the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner. Tap on it. Step 6. Scroll down to the Your Information section and tap on Access Your Information. Step 7. Tap on Personal Information and then select See More. Step 8. Within the Personal Information section, tap on Your Hobbies under the Profile Information. By following these 8 simple steps, you'll be able to view all the hobbies you have added to your Facebook profile. This feature allows you to showcase your interests and connect with others who share similar hobbies. Understanding your hobbies is a great way to express yourself and find connections within the Facebook community. Take some time to explore and appreciate the hobbies you've added to your profile. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.